Join us as we unravel the riddles of the mysterious places that pique our curiosity. Get ready to be enchanted by the fascination of places that defy explanation, and some attract the adventurous spirit. The ghost town of Varosha, located in Cyprus, is a place that was once quite busy, with several abandoned buildings that were once visited by many tourists. In the 70s, the region was a thriving tourist district, with a beautiful beach frequented by travelers. However, in 1974, the Turkish army invaded Varosha, forcing around 40,000 inhabitants from their homes and from the city. Since then, the city has turned into a major ghost town, and the Turkish army has refused to return it to its original owners. As a result, the buildings gradually deteriorated over time. Currently, the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus is planning to reopen the neighborhood so that the former owners can repossess their properties. Kayakoi Turkey. Located in southwestern Turkey in Muğla province, lies a small town practically frozen in time, known as the Citadel of Kayakoi. Built in the 18th century, this ghostly town has been the scene of many stories over the years. What most impresses in your region are the constructions from different eras. Kayakoi was devastated by an earthquake and fire, which resulted in its complete abandonment. After these disasters, Greeks and Turks rebuilt and inhabited the city until World War II. However, conflicts during this period led to the total abandonment of the site. The ghost island of Hashirama, Japan, is one of the strangest abandoned places in the world. Located 15 kilometers from Nagasaki, the island was acquired by Mitsubishi in 1890 for the coal extraction project in underwater mines. About 5,259 workers lived on the island over the years, but starting in the 1960s, the mines were closed due to the switch from coal to oil, and Mitsubishi abandoned the island in 1974. Today, the ghost island of Hashirama, it is sinister, with old buildings in ruins surrounded by the waters of the sea. A curious fact is that the first large building in Japan was built on this island in 1916, but now this building is in ruins, contributing to the gloomy atmosphere of the island. Scaffell is a conservation area in Iceland where the famous ice cave is located. In the park, there is the highest peak in Iceland, with 2,210 meters of altitude. The spectacular landscape is the result of past volcanic activity. The site has several ice caves with constantly changing structures, some below lakes, others on the surface, and even inside the crevasses of glaciers. The stunning beauty of the place is second to none and can only be truly appreciated by being there. Another amazing place is Chinacolored Mountain, located in Jiang City. The 510 square kilometer park is known for its mountains of rocks in vibrant colors such as orange, blue, yellow, and even purple. This dazzling palette of colors was the result of deposits of sandstone and other minerals that accumulated over more than 24 million years. This place was once considered one of the most beautiful in China. Flame Waterfall is a natural wonder located in a park in New York City. Below the waterfall, surprisingly, a flame burns that never goes out. This may seem inexplicable, but the current scientific explanation reveals that the fire originates from methane-rich natural gas present in the cracks near the waterfall. The phenomenon received the name Waterfall of the Eternal Flame, although in some periods, the flame can go out, being occasionally rekindled by adventurers who burn the accumulated gas. Mount Roraima is a mountain located on the triple border between Brazil, Venezuela, and Guyana. It is a flat-topped elevation located on the Guyana Plateau, approximately 2,810 meters high. Its summit is often above the clouds, providing a breathtaking view. Explorers from all over the world dream of visiting Mount Roraima, describing it as an indescribable place due to its unique shapes and the impressive sounds and moments of absolute silence found in some regions. To reach the top of this majestic mountain, it is necessary to face a 3-day hike, full of challenging ascents and descents, as well as immersion in nature. The complete adventure, including the ascent and descent, takes about 6 days. Despite the challenge, the experience of camping on Mount Roraima would be truly unforgettable. The Cave of Crystals is an amazing wonder located in Chihuahua, Mexico. Located inside the Naica mine, it is home to the largest crystals ever found in nature. Despite its stunning beauty, exploring this place is extremely dangerous due to the unbearable heat and humidity, reaching temperatures close to 40 degrees Celsius and air humidity close to 100%. For this reason, much of the cave remains unexplored to this day, as it requires significant investment and puts lives at risk. The discovery of the Crystal Cave only took place in the 2000s, when miners exploring for silver accidentally found these huge crystals. In addition to temperature and humidity, the presence of gigantic sharp crystals also makes exploration difficult. They are so sharp that they pose a risk to human life, leading to the installation of a door to prevent deep access to the cave in order to avoid fatal accidents. Another natural wonder is the Antelope Canyon, a narrow gorge located in an Indian reservation about 220 kilometers from the Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona, United States. This canyon has been carved out over the years by erosion caused by rains and floods, becoming one of the top attractions in the USA. The place is breathtaking, but the visit requires care, as the canyons can flood quickly, making the environment dangerous. It is essential to have local guides to ensure safety during the visit. Another wonder is Fly Geyser, also known as Fly Ranch Geyser, located in Nevada, United States. It was accidentally created about 100 years ago when a well was drilled in a failed attempt to bring water for agriculture in the middle of the desert. The well reached a hot water table, resulting in a continuous supply of hot water that formed a mountain of calcium carbonate nearly 4 meters high. The landscape looks like a water park creation, but it was actually the result of human error that nature turned into something spectacular. Another intriguing place is the Forest of Circles, located in the Namib Desert in Namibia. If you are a fan of mysteries and natural phenomena, this is the place for you. In this forest, hundreds of perfectly drawn circles on the ground are known as fairy circles, as if someone had drawn them with a giant compass. It's not yet known for sure how these circles form, but theories range from underground activity to chemical reactions. One thing is certain: this forest is truly enigmatic. Furthermore, the Namib Desert is home to some of the oldest and most mysterious sand dunes in the world, with surreal landscapes that seem straight out of a dream. Lion City is a truly mysterious place located in China. This village is completely submerged under the crystalline waters of Lake Xiandao. Also known as the Atlantis of China, it has more than 1,300 years of history, with its ancient buildings and hidden secrets enchanting and intriguing everyone who discovers it. Imagine delving into the depths of this lost world and exploring temples, streets, and squares submerged for centuries. Now let's go to Italy, more precisely to the city of Venice, where we find the frightening island of Poveglia. This island has a dark history, as it was used as a quarantine place for people with contagious diseases in the 18th century. Rumors of sinister experiments and paranormal activity surround this abandoned place. Nowadays, the island is considered cursed. It is said that the bodies of the dead are still buried en masse under the ground. The island of Poveglia is a true nightmare in one of the most romantic cities in the world. I hope everyone has been fascinated by these unique and quirky destinations. It is worth remembering that our planet is full of exceptional and enigmatic places. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.